The refreshed Hyundai Tucson is under development, but the engineering team doesn't want the world to get a good look at it. The company covers the model with a mix of black fabric and blocky panels for concealing the revised design. Still, this is the first time we're getting a look at the updates. Stay with us. The most interesting is ahead.
Auto News Channel.
At the end of the video, we will see the new Hyundai Tucson, and now let's tell you more. The current Tucson is available with purely combustion powertrains, in addition to hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, giving buyers lots of variants to pick from. The standard power plant is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that makes 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. There's also a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor producing 226 horsepower and 258 lb-ft. The plug-in version has 261 horsepower. The M-Line has a turbocharged version of the 2.5-liter mill making 290 HP inside. The Tucson is available with a standard 8.0-inch infotainment screen, and buyers can upgrade to a 10.3-inch display. The safety tech includes front collision monitoring with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, automatic high beams, driver attention warning, and rear seat alert. It's hard to see revisions at the front because the concealment covers so much. It looks like there's a new design for the grille mesh with a mix of thick and skinny portions. There are no obvious revisions to the headlights, but we can't see much of them. The lamps are still split into upper and lower portions. Blocks underneath the camo hide the hood's shape. Subscribe, don't forget the bell.